Alright, hey you guys are going to have to excuse this terrible angle that I have right now, but I don't have a table, so I am on the ledge of my stairs. But I just took the nail polish off my fingernails, and they look terrible. Don't they look ratchet? Oh my god. So, I decided I wanted to test this out and see how well I can file my nails with the Amope. I don't even know if it's showing. Let's see, this one I already opened, but I have not used it yet, so this will be my first time using it. I just made sure it was batteries in it, and then it turned on. This is the Amope nail care system that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take everything out. Sorry about the angle so bad. But this one, I like that it came with a Cuticle oil. But it came with the files. You've got number 1 for filing, number 2 is for buffing, number 3 is for shine. So they have the numbers on the back so you'll know which one, because when I took it out I forgot which way it was, because it also showed you here. So I'm going to start with filing and see how that works, filing these nubs, and as you can see I need them buffed, I need to do my cuticles, the whole 9. So let's see how this works. So I have the file on there, and once you turn it on, I don't know if you guys can see how it moves up and down. I don't even know how to start using this. So I'm just going to put it on top of my nail like I'm filing. It's kind of weird using it. Tickly too. I don't know, y'all. I need longer nails, I think. Even though it moves, I'm gonna move it too, just to kind of help it along. Have a split here, so let's see if it'll get this split together. Oh, it's so awkward. Sorry you guys can see me in my shorts and everything. I need to get a nail table. I just don't know where I want to get one from yet, and I was looking on Amazon, but I kind of want to go like pick one out instead of order one and have the risk of having it shipped. So I was thinking maybe like IKEA or something like that. If you guys have any suggestions on some nice price tables, let me know in the comments. Okay, so this is really awkward using on short nails so far. Let's see if I can brighten this a little. Okay, so I'm going to go across my nail with it, because I have like splits. You guys see like that? So I want to get that kind of off with the file before I buff it. Let's see if I can get that together. It doesn't seem to be very strong. I don't know. I see it's stuff coming off because I've got that white dust on me. Too sure how I like this. I'm glad I didn't pay 20 bucks for it when it first came out. I know that much. It was like, what, 20 or 30 bucks? I'd rather have paid $1 for this for sure. This is so awkward. Okay. I'm going to take this off and move on to the buffing. So goes on this way. This is the front where the button is. You turn it around. It has a little opening that goes on the tip. Click it right on there. Make sure it's on. Turn it on. And buff. Okay. Oh my god, I just dropped it, y'all. Jesus. Alright, so they're buffed and dry and ugly. Please excuse, but this is a test. This is only a test. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the shine. Number 3. Backwards. Shine. It actually does give it a good shine, but my nail still looks bad here and here, so I gotta probably do that with my manual nail file. But I do see a shine to it. See a shine, but my nails are so dry, so what I'm going to do is do my cuticles and all that good stuff, do my next hand, and then I'll be back. I figured out an easier way to use it, and it works a lot better. First of all, I forgot it goes in 2 speeds. It has like a soft speed and a faster speed. I needed this speed. And then also while using it on the fast speed, if you kind of keep it still and you work your finger on it, it files a lot better. And then even at this speed, I was able to put it down like this and push my cuticles back because they grew out a lot. I've been like really negligent in my nails since I moved. My cuticles have never grown out like this before. I don't know if you guys can see on this one. See, there's some cute growing here and here. But what I did was just kept it on the high speed, pointed it down, and just kind of moving it at the bottom of my nail to get that cuticle off and kind of get it down some, and then I can work the rest with my cuticle pusher. But this helped a lot. But I feel the higher the speed and the more pressure I'm putting on it, it filed a whole lot better. So I filed this hand. I still have to buff and shine. But I just wanted to go back over this hand since I've figured out how to use it a little bit more easier. So just kind of keep it still and work your nail on it, you know, kind of maneuver it, and it helps to file it a lot better. So I don't really care too much about having a great shape because I think I might try to put on some nails. I'm not sure yet. But ooh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put on number 2 and start buffing this one. So this is the end result. As you can see, I still have like a little few spots that, you know, aren't totally nicely filed because my nails are peeling due to me being anemic. Like this one's really bad. I do need to push my cuticles back a little bit more on a few of my nails, especially here. But other than that, it actually wasn't too bad. And then I filed them down really low because, like I said, I may put on these, which are some like a, you know, a glue-on nail. You know, I usually do acrylic, but I wanted to test these out. I ordered these on Amazon. So they're like coffin-shaped glue-on, full-covered nails. So I may do that. But I also wanted to show you guys this cute manicure kit that I got. I've had it a while though, but I got it from Kmart, and I just thought it was adorable. It has a little hangy thingy on it, but it comes with the little stuff you need for manicures. You got your nail clipper, your cuticle thingy here, nail file, and your cuticle scissors, which I never use. They say don't cut your cuticles, so I never do that, but they are good for like cutting your nails, and then also using on the fake nails as well. These scissors are good for that. And they also had the pedicure kit, and it comes with a little foot file, the nail file, the cuticle pusher, and the toenail clipper. And this one is zebra print, and I just thought these were so cute, and I think I have a couple more. If I come across them, I'll show them to you guys. But yeah, I found these at Kmart. So I'm gonna take out the little cuticle thingy here, and I'm gonna see if I can use this bottom part to go ahead and push these down. I usually use my my electric e-file, But since I don't have a nail table, I don't really have anywhere. I can plug it up and use it here, but it's just not really enough space for me. So I'm just going to try to use this because I do have a cuticle bit for my e-file. I'm going to see how well this works. So I'm going to do this and then put the Amope nail care oil on top. Go ahead and let's put this oil on because my camera's about to die, so I really didn't have time to finish pushing my cuticles back, but let's see how well this works. You can see I'm super dry around the cuticles and the sides of my nails. This is such an awkward position, y'all, sorry. So I'm just dipping it in there and I'm gonna just rub it on here, and then I'll come back and rub it in with my fingers. Trying to get a lot on there because they're super dry. I removed my nail polish and they always get dry after that if I don't use my nail polish remover with the cuticle oil in it. If you guys don't like your nails drying out, put a drop of cuticle oil in your nail polish remover, your acetone or your regular nail polish remover, and that really helps with your fingers not drying out. But I used my you know, the one you put your finger inside, and I forgot to put some cuticle oil in that one, so my fingers turned out really dry. Okay, let's see. It smells good. It actually smells like perfume almost. It has a nice fragrance to it, so that's the end result. Not too bad, not too bad. I do like how it did buff and shine really good. My nail looks nice and shiny and clear. Not bad. So yeah, that was me testing out the Amope electric nail care system that I found at Dollar Tree. It has 2 speeds. It comes with 3 files for you to file, buff, and shine. I also found at the Dollar Tree the refills. They have the 3-pack of files in a refill pack for just $1. You cannot beat it. I think it's pretty good. I also have the pedicure one that I'll be testing out soon as well. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you guys will know when the next video is up, and I will see you guys again soon.